Hello, my name is Rudi Fronk, and I am co-founder and CEO of Seabridge Gold. If you're looking for exposure to higher gold and copper prices, I'm here to share with you why I believe Seabridge is worth considering. When we formed Seabridge more than 20 years ago, our goal was to create the industry's best leveraged play to higher gold prices. And how do we do on this objective? Since we launched Seabridge in late 1999, our share price is up over 8,000%, while the price of gold is up just over 500%. In addition to outperforming the gold price, we also significantly outperformed other better-known gold equities. How do we accomplish this outperformance? By maintaining a consistent guiding principle of growing our gold resources and reserves faster than our shares outstanding. One of the biggest risks we all face in investing in gold equities, whether it be small companies or large companies, is the risk of equity dilution. What matters most, in our opinion, in terms of driving long-term value are per share metrics. How do our per share metrics stack up against other gold stocks? Whether you consider gold reserves or total gold resources per share, each Seabridge share is backed by 5 to 50 times more gold ownership than other gold equities. And it's not just about gold. Along the way, we also found a lot of copper. In fact, over 50 billion pounds of copper through our exploration activities. If you compare Seabridge's copper ownership per share, we also provide more exposure to copper than the leading copper producers. As the world moves towards green energy initiatives, the demand for copper is expected to increase dramatically, and so will the price of copper. Seabridge owns 100% of 5 core assets. Our most advanced and largest asset is KSM, which is located in northwestern British Columbia, Canada. KSM is now situated in an area called the Golden Triangle, which has now become one of the most sought-after regions by the major gold and copper companies. We have now invested over $500 million at KSM, not only defining the world's largest undeveloped gold and copper project, but one that has successfully gone through the permitting process. KSM also has the support of the local indigenous groups with impact benefit agreements in place with the Niska Nation and the Tahltan Nation. KSM also has the benefit of low-cost green power that comes from hydro sources that we've secured from BC Hydro, which will significantly reduce KSM's carbon footprint once in operation. At KSM, we have 5 deposits that now contain 11 billion tons of economic resources, hosting over 88 million ounces of gold and 19 billion pounds of copper in the measured and indicated categories. As we went through the environmental assessment process, we are now permitted for 2.3 billion tons of tailings. So we've been playing around with different mine plans, focusing on capturing 2.3 billion tons from the 11 billion tons we have to drive the best project economics. In 2016, we completed a pre-feasibility study that captured 38 million ounces of gold and 10 billion pounds of copper and proven and probable gold reserves, resulting in a mine life in excess of 50 years at an all-in cost of production of less than $700 per ounce of gold produced. The 2016 study did not yet include, however, the East Mitchell deposit, which we acquired in 2020. We are now in the process of updating the pre-feasibility study to include East Mitchell. We expect the new PFS to show significantly improved economics over the 2016 study with a much simpler mine plan. The study is expected to be announced in June. So what will drive the shares of Seabridge higher going forward? Well, 1, higher gold and copper prices. If you believe that the price of gold and copper are going to go higher as we do, owning Seabridge shares has worked well for 22 plus years and should continue to work alone on that basis. Second, 100% ownership of the world's largest undeveloped gold and copper project in a very safe jurisdiction in a world where the major gold companies are running out of reserves and more copper mines need to be built just to satisfy green energy initiatives. Third, in addition to KSM, we have 4 other earlier stage projects, any one of which we believe can become a company maker. Fourth, a soon to be released updated pre-feas that is expected to show a de-risked and economically superior project to what we've shown in the past. And last but not least will be our ability to secure a joint venture partner that will bring the technical, financial, and social wherewithal to make a construction decision at KSM, leaving Seabridge with a meaningful interest in the project while minimizing our capital exposure. These are the reasons why I have 95% of my family's net worth tied up in Seabridge common shares. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to our next interaction if you'd like to learn more.